nayo abaigereri bo bwene bwa mwanya bantu batano nigo babikwa Biara ime umuchio Nairobi. Amega yogokora okorobekana eri kwamereria EGEIKARO kia Africa Forward Summit ekyo kigendete gokorekana asensemo ya KICC ime umuchio Nairobi. Mwanya nabo nigo yabitereria abanyanyimbo ogotumeka ebirusia marioki ase okobatanana.
If French is interested of genuine partnership with the Nairobi, what has happened in Ouagadougou, what happened in the Sahel region, we know for a fact that there is no development that has happened in West Africa.
What have they done to the Sahel? What have they done to Cote d'Ivoire? What have they done to Gaddafi in Libya? That's the heritage of French imperialism, not in the 19th century, not even in the 20th century, that's all in the 21st century. That's what their face is like.